In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a deal from one pipeline to another in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a deal to a different pipeline without losing context or momentum. First, head to the Pipedrive website in your browser. If you use it regularly, it's a good idea to bookmark the login page so you can get back here faster next time. Once the page loads, click Login. Enter your account credentials and complete any authentication prompts your company might use. If you manage multiple accounts or have access to more than one company, make sure you're logging into the correct workspace so the right pipelines appear. After you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base where you'll see recent activity and key metrics. From here, open the Deals section. This takes you to your pipeline board or list view, depending on your last setting. If you don't immediately see the deal you're moving, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by deal title, owner, or status. Clear filters if needed so you're looking at all relevant deals. Next, select the deal you want to move. If you plan to move more than one, you can repeat the same process for each deal. Click the deal to open its detail view. At the top of the deal page, look for the pipeline field. It will display the current pipeline name such as sales or any custom pipeline your team uses. Click that pipeline name to open the selection menu. From the drop-down, choose the pipeline you want to use. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct destination. Pipelines can have different stages and automations, so it's helpful to know where this deal should live going forward. If your organization has specific rules about which opportunities belong in which pipeline, align with those guidelines before you finalize the change. Once you've chosen the new pipeline, click Save. Pipedrive will apply the change and place the deal into the appropriate stage for that pipeline. You'll see the update reflected in the deal header right away. When you return to the deals view, the deal will appear under its new pipeline, and any dashboards or reports tied to pipeline data will update accordingly. That's all there is to it. Go to Pipedrive and log in, open your dashboard, navigate to Deals, select the deal, click the current pipeline name, choose the new pipeline, and save. If you're moving several deals, repeat these steps for each one to keep everything organized. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you move your own deals.